This short video will introduce you to the active reading strategy, infer. This word means to make an educated guess based on what you see and what you already know. Now I know this is English class, but sometimes putting it into a math equation gives me a really good visual. So here is the definition in math form. What I see, or evidence from the text, I add that to what I know, background knowledge, and that is how I'm able to make an inference. So let me give you an example. You'll see my equation, so I'm going to just simply plug everything in. What I see is Ellen with her umbrella and it's dripping on the ground. Now let me add some background knowledge, what I already know. Ellen just walked in from outside. Usually, when an umbrella is dripping, it means it's raining outside. When I add those two together, this is a reasonable inference. I can infer that it is raining outside.